finally got them. They came in. This is the stove. Let me see this. Warning, hot, do not touch. This is the stove. And the cord is right here. And I'm doing this at my work, at my job before I go in. I was too sleepy and tired after working out last night to unbox it. I just wanted to go to sleep. But I unboxed it this morning as soon as I woke up. And I put it all together. But this is a Golden Hot right here. And there's an on-off switch. Don't laugh at my nails. On-off switch. Here's the bag. And it's the front, and you see gold and hot. And now the irons. Here is my hot comb. And I wanted to show you all this because my instructor last night was telling me about make sure that they're tempered. And this says this iron has been coated with a special oil to temper the barrel and protect it during shipping. So it's been tempered already. And it also warns that when heating for the first time, preheat iron 4 to 5 minutes. You will notice some smoke and a slight odor. This is normal and will quickly disappear. Of course, I'm not going to turn it on here at work, but here's my hot comb. Here is my, I believe, my 5/8 barrel. It's in the plastic, and I'll show you a picture or a little clip just of all of them sitting together. And then here is a smaller one, and I'll put the sizes down in the description box, guys. My small one, look at it, 723. You see that? I gotta be inside the building in 7 minutes. And my flat iron. Oh, that's the flat iron, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and get inside, get to my desk. We're gonna do a quick we're gonna look at these. I'm gonna open them, get them out of here, and we'll be right back.